Hi, I'm back. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I'm back again. Okay, I'm back again to solve some hard math problem. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now let's start with this
Hi,
one.
viewers. Kusenya kamsina hi.
Hi, she said hi. Okay, let's start with this. Ewo gather 6 7 plus 3 is what's terminal number?
As my madam,
5, don't know I'm teaching you. 5 plus 3. Eight plus 3. Someone is going to solve it now. It's now 5, 1, 2. Okay. This is the question. This is the question. Come on, take your money. This man, guy. Very funny man. Take. Oh. Is it?
I think he may have. See, one of the way he did.
Can you just imagine what someone is saying? Can you just imagine what someone is saying?
Small stars.
Eat the shake. Eat the shake.
I don't want to say small stars.
Eat the shake. Eat the shake. Hey, God. Someone said 6 plus 7, 67. Hey, that is not the answer. Guy Despair, said 67. I think you're joking. Are you joking? You're joking. Are you there? Are you joking? Oh, you're there, right? You're there, right? And you're saying 6, 7. The answer is not 6, 7, okay? The answer is not 6, 7. Okay, let's do this. Let us do this. Okay. This is a math trick. Yes. Let me say it's a math trick. So any idea? Okay, let me start with this is the question, right? Yeah, I just want to show all working. So this is the question. Now 6 plus 3 is what? Is question mark, right? 7 plus 3 is 343, right? Now 5 plus 3 is what? 125. Okay, now 8 plus 3 is 512. So we are now looking for what? We're looking for 6 plus 3. So who can tell us the answer? Meanwhile, let me solve it. Okay, can anyone tell us the answer? Who has any idea? Jane, L Jane, yeah, ELE. L Jane said 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Someone said 6 plus 3 is 9, right? Someone said 9. Okay. Who else? Please, if you're new to my life, like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you so much. Someone said 9. Okay. Izim said the question is wrong. Okay, the question is wrong, right? Okay. This is a mass riddle. Okay, the question is not wrong. We'll still get the answer. Okay. You sit down and watch how we'll get the answer. The question is not wrong. Okay. Thank you for liking. Someone said 9. Is the answer 9? Okay, 2 people said 9. 1 person said 7. Someone else said what? 7. Okay, 9, 7. Who else? Who else? Okay, the person that said the question is wrong said 9. Okay, the question is now correct now. Abby. Okay, someone said 9, 7. Amar said no. Maybe saying no, that the question is not wrong. Okay. Amar said hi. Amar. Hope you're doing good. Thank you so much for joining my live. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Yeah, share too. Someone said 1M plus 1 DC. Please explain, what does it mean? Anaconda. Yeah, anakbunda. Yeah. Okay. Someone. Okay, let's try and solve the riddle. Okay. Let's solve it. All right. This is 6 plus 3 is what? Nothing. We are looking for what? We are looking for the question mark here. 7 plus 3 is 343, right? Okay. 5 plus 3 is 125. 8 plus 3 is what? Now, see it here. 7 plus 3 is what? 343. Now, let's do 7. This 3 here. This 3 here, this plus 3, yeah, is not an addition. Okay. This plus 3 here is acting like a power. Okay. The plus is not an addition. The plus 3 here is acting like a power. Okay. Now, the plus 3 is acting like this plus 3 here. This plus 3 here is acting like a power. Now, we now do 7. We now do 7. Now, we now do 7 times 7 times 7 is 7 raised to power 3. This 3 here. Okay. Do you understand? Now, someone said Mufaska said Mufatka at Mutfaska said 9999. No. Someone said 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Someone said 8. Okay. 888. Emmanuel Willard. Emmanuel Willard, welcome, okay? Welcome. Thank you for joining my live. Like, subscribe, and share, okay? Do you got my messages? The one I got is the one you sent yesterday. Yeah, you said that I didn't notify you that I was going live. Yeah, so I'm sorry about yesterday, okay? Sorry. Now, please, what's your answer? Okay, now let's continue. Now. This is, we've gotten this one. Like I said, this plus 3. Okay, let me write it down here. Plus 3 is just acting like a power. Okay? Yeah. This plus 3 here is acting like a power. Now, all this plus 3 here is acting like a power. Now we've picked this one. Let's pick this one. 5 plus 3. You remember what this one is acting like? Also a power. Then we now do, this is the answer, right? 125. Okay? Now, this 5 plus 3 here should be 5 raised to power 3. Okay? It acts like what? A power. It's a raised to power. Okay? Now it acts like a power. Now we'll do 5 times 5 times 5. Okay? Now we move to this one. 8 plus 3. Okay? Now, this plus 3 acts like a power. Okay? Yeah. Someone said, okay, thank people, hi. Emmanuel said 216. Okay, someone said 216. Okay. I'm writing it down so that we know if someone got answer. Okay, someone said thank, yeah, it's like a motivation. Please, thank, what is like a motivation, please? Okay, please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, now 8 plus 3. This plus sounds like what? A power, like I said. Now you do equal to 8 plus 3. What they gave us 512. Now 512. Then here, this plus 3 serves as what? It serves as what? Power. Then 8 3. Okay, now 8 3 is what? 8 times 3 times 3. Okay, sorry, 8 times 8 times 8. Yeah, hope you're getting what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, so this is now worth 3 4 3, and here is what? 1 2 5, and here is what? 5 1 2. Now we now move to this one. 6 plus 3 is what? With what I explained here, who can tell me what this answer is? Okay, some people already told us this. All right, let's continue. 6, this serves as what? Power. Okay, yeah, so you do, there's no need writing this thing down here because they have not given us the answer. They want to bring out the answer, right? So we skip here. We have to skip here. Okay, then we now move here and do 6 raised to power 3. Okay, then we now do 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, now we do what? 6 times 6 is what? Who can get? Oh yeah, someone should tell us the answer. 6 times 6 times 6 is what? What is the answer? The answer is 216. Someone got it. Emmanuel got it. Emmanuel, you got it. Yeah, you got it. We are so fast. Yeah, someone got it. Yeah, Emmanuel got it. Yeah. Okay, now the answer is what? 216. Okay, now here we will now put it what? 216. So therefore 6 plus 3 is worth 216. So this is the answer. This is how I got it. Okay, should I explain? If you don't understand, you type in the comment section that you don't understand. Let me explain it more. Okay. Someone said Emmanuel said down my price. So you answered yesterday's one. Okay, don't worry, I'll give you a kiss. Okay, now please like, subscribe and share. Please like, subscribe and share. Now let's continue. If you don't understand it, you still type in the comment section that you don't understand it. Let me explain it more again. Okay, let me explain it again. If you don't understand it, this is 6. I explained 2 times, so this is the last one. Please try and grab it. Okay, I explained 2 times. Okay, 6 plus 3 is question mark 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 343. Okay, now we do 5 plus 3 is what? 125. Now 8 plus 3 is going to give us 512. Okay, now see what we are going to do. This plus 3 here, all this plus 3 here, this is what? A math riddle. See it here, it's a math riddle. Now we come here, we now do 6 plus 3. This plus here, all this plus here serves as, is not an addition. Okay, this plus here is not an addition. It serves as a power. Plus 3 here serves as what? As a power. Then we now do plus 3 here serves as raised to power. Okay, then we now do 7 plus 3 is what? This 7 you now do equal to, because this serves as power, we now do this. What they gave us here is what? 343. Then you do 343 raised to power. This is 7 raised to power to power 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, now we move to the next one. The next one is what? The next one is 5 plus 3 plus, okay, 5 plus 3, okay, there is no plus. 5 plus 3 is what? 125. Okay, now because this plus here serves as raised to power, we now do 5 raised to power 3. Okay, 5 raised to power 3. Then we now do 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, now we now do here is now 8. This other question here. Okay, 8 plus 3 is what? What did they give us here? 512. 5112. That's 512 here. 8. This is our main question. Okay, yeah, 8 raised to power 3. So 8 raised to power 3 they gave us here is what? 512. So this is the 512. We do 8 times 8 times 8. Please grab it, okay? Now we go here to the last one. The last one is 6 plus 3, okay, is equal to what? 6 plus 3 is what? Now we'll do this plus 3 is raised to power 3, okay? Then we now leave here. We now do it here. This 6 is 6 raised to power 3, okay? Then we'll do 6 times 6 times 6, which is going to give us what? 6 times 6 times 6 is going to give us 6 times this is 6 times 6 is 36, right? 36 times 6 is going to give us what? 216. Okay, now the question here is, what is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3 is now what? 216. So that's how we got 216. Okay, let me do this. So this is how we got it. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, Emmanuel asked me now, why are you not on live stream mostly in the night? Okay, please, if you want me to be coming live in the night, you can also indicate, okay? Yeah, you can still tell me that you want me to be coming live in the night, okay? Yeah, but if you guys want it, I will still try my best to be coming live in the night, in the evening, like let's say 7 or 8, because I like sleeping on time, okay? I like sleeping on time. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, let's move to another question. Okay, this question, who can solve this? Who can solve this? Who can solve this? Okay, someone said 67. Isaac said 67, and Joaquin said 10. OJ said 10. Okay, now see how we're going to do it. This is the question. I stopped this one in the morning, okay, but now we're coming across it. Let me just, there is no need to swipe, okay, because some people here don't know the answer. They will be like, okay, solve this too, let's see. Okay, let me solve it. 9 plus 1 is 91. 8 plus 2 is 75. Is 75. 7 plus 3. How many? Take it there. 7 plus 3 was 61. Okay, now 6 plus 4 is 49. 5 plus 5 is going to give us 39. So 3 plus 7 is going to give us what? So who has any idea? If you don't have any idea, you can try your best. Emmanuel Willard said 37. Okay, someone said 37. Okay. Joe OJK said, at OGK said 10. Someone said 10. 37, 10. Who else? Who else? Okay, Emmanuel Willard said 37. Prithika Devi said 10. Okay, someone's have already written it. 37, 10. Okay. Emmanuel Willard, yeah, said 37. Yeah, I know. You said 37. How much? Zero. Hey, your change now. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now, okay, let's solve it now. Someone got 37, someone got 10. Now let's be quick. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 91. 8 plus 2 is 75. 7 plus 3 is 61. 6 plus 4 is 49. 5 plus 5 is 39. 3 plus 7 is what? Okay, let's solve it together. Now, first thing to do is to let's get all these answers. Let's bring them down. 91, 75, 61, 49, 49, 39. Okay, yeah. So now we do, so these are the answers. Now see what we are going to do. We now bring them down. 91 is now, we bring these ones together. 91, 75. Okay, let me make you understand. We bring this one and this one together. Okay, we do here. Okay, it's still the same thing. 91, 75. Okay, then we do 75 is like you bring them. 91, 75, 75, 90, 61, 61, 49, 49, 39. Do you understand? Let me explain well. 91, these are these things that are here. Okay, yeah. 91 is this one. 75 is the second one. Okay, then we also start from 75 and pull towards 61. Okay, now from 61 to 49. Okay, from 49 to 39. Do you understand? This is how we got it. Now you do equal to 91 minus, okay, 91 minus 91 minus 75 is what? And please, if you're going to be asking me why are we not using plus, this is plus, right? We're supposed to be using plus, now we're using minus. Yeah, some people will be asking me why are we not using plus. We did we like let's say cross multiply, something like that. We did it. You understand? This is plus. Okay, yeah, plus is minus, right? This is plus and this is plus. Okay, plus we did it like terms, correct? I sorry, I made a mistake. I said cross multiply, not cross multiply, it's like terms. We collected like terms. Okay, collected like terms. Plus is what? Minus. Okay, plus is what? Minus. Okay, so this is plus is what? Minus. This signifies plus. Okay, now it's minus. So now 91 minus 75 is what? Minus 16. Okay, 70. Hope you understand. Who is not with us? Emmanuel Willard said sorry, 35. Is it 35? Are you sure it's 35? Okay, it's no longer 37 again, it's now 35. Okay, we have changed it to 35. Someone said it's no longer his answer is not 36 again, it's 35. Okay, let's continue solving to know the right answer. Now 75 minus 61, don't forget this is our question. Okay, for those that are coming now, 75 minus 61 is going to give us minus 14. Okay, 61 minus 49 is going to give us minus 12. 49 minus 39 is going to give us minus 10. Okay, now you're going to do 3 plus 7 is going to give us what? This thing is standing in two like minus 2. Okay, 16, 14, 12, 10, minus 8. The answer is minus 8. Did anybody say 8 here? Nobody got it, right? Nobody got it. Sorry, nobody got it. The answer is minus 8. Yeah. You guys tried, honestly. You know why you guys didn't get it? It's a math riddle. Okay, it's a math riddle. That's why you guys haven't got it. So this is how I got it. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Someone said 9. No. Okay, let's move to the next question. Should we do riddle? Okay, well, let's do math first. No, let me keep changing it. I'm coming. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Come again. No, God, when? Happen. Okay. Now we are done with this one, right? Okay. We are done with it. Now, let's start with this one. Now, the answer here, the question here is 2 question. Okay. Now we start. 2 plus 3 is what? 8. Okay. 3 plus 3 is what? 27. We are bringing out the question. Okay. Now 4 plus 3 is going to give us 64, right? 5 plus 3 is what? Now, who can tell us the answer? Who can make an attempt? Someone should make an attempt. 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 Okay, someone said, Adam said no. Oh, sorry. Adam said no, it's 8. No. Please, if you're new to my life, like, subscribe, and share, okay? Yeah. Like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Someone said 8. Okay. Who else? Okay. Now, let's solve it together. Let us do words. Let's solve it together. Question mark. We're looking for 5 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 3 is what? 27. 4 plus 3 is 64. 5 plus 3 is what? Question mark. We're looking for 5 plus 3. Now, we now do 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, this is our question. 3 plus 3 is equal to 27. 4 plus 3 is equal to 64. Okay, now 5 plus 3 is what? Now we now do 2 plus 3 is 8, right? Yeah, so we now do this 3 is still that same thing. This 3 serves as what? Who can tell me what this plus 3 serves as? Who can tell me? I said it in my in the last question. Who can tell me? Abraham Willard, Emmanuel Willard said the answer is 125. Okay, who else? Yes, it's another question, Emmanuel. Who else wants to make an attempt? Abdul said 125. Emmanuel said 125. Abdul said what did Abdul say? 125 too. Okay, we move. All right, this plus 3 here serves as what? Plus 3 here. This plus 3 here serves as what? It serves as what? What does this plus 3 here serves as? Okay, for those that have answered the question. Plus 3 here. Plus 3 here serves as what? It serves as plus 3 here serves as power. It serves as power. Okay. So what are we going to do here next? Since plus 3 here serves as power. Answer. Since the plus 3 here serves as power, what are we going to do? The next thing we are going to do, since this plus 3 here serves as power, this plus 3 here serves as power, what are we going to do? Now we do 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. Here we now do what? 3 raised to power 2. Okay, so this is it. Now here, the second one, 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 is what? 27. You do 3 raised to power 3. Okay, now here we do 4 plus 3 is what? 64. You do what? 4 raised to power 3. Then the fifth one, 5 plus 3 is what? We don't have any, they did not give us anything here, right? They did not give us anything here. Now what we are going to do here is we'll put our dash here and do what? 5 raised to power what? 3. So we're going to do 5 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 is going to give us 8. 3 raised to power 3 is going to give us 27. 4 raised to power 3 is going to give us 64. Okay, 5 raised to power 3 is going to give us what? Times 5 is going to give us what? Who can tell us in the comment section? Okay, the answer is 125. So here is what? 125. So our answer here, 5 plus 3 is what? This is our question. 5 plus 3 is what? Is what? 125. Answer. Okay, so this is how we got it. Emmanuel Willard, you got the answer with Abdul got it. Abdul got the answer. Okay, let's move to the other question. Let's change another one. Okay, can someone tell me this riddle? The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? So, yes. So, who can tell us in the comment section the answer? Who can tell us the answer in the comment section? Amelia said, you're doing very good. Thank you so much. Okay, I really appreciate it. And thank you for joining my live. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you really like what I'm doing, like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you so much. What is the square root of 112? Someone asked us, what is the square root of 112? Please, can someone in the comment section tell us the answer? Dogan said, what is the square root of 112? Okay. Someone should reply. Someone should reply. Someone should reply. Someone should reply. Okay. This square root of 112, it's this thing doesn't have a square root. Like, it doesn't have a square, like a single number. Okay, it's not a single number. So this 112 is not a single number. It came as what? As a decimal. Okay, I'm coming. So it came as a decimal point. Okay, so the answer is, sorry, I was attending to customer. Okay, I'm sorry. 10.583. So this is it. It didn't come in one this thing. Okay, it came in decimal. So what is the answer? The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Yes. Okay. Make what you make 1,000 all the money for 5. When you longer. I need to sag back. Huh? Your mother and your 1,000. On your grandmother. On your side. By the way, I need to do the kind of touch. Huh? Okay.
So, Sako le gava.
For 10, Abby?
10.
3 for 1. 3 for 1. That's. You need to do 3 sacks.
I ain't got to buy the sack.
I need a sack now.
That's what I'm saying. So I
Yes, you have to buy. Yes, you also need to
Why?
get outside gas oil.
The sack you will go.
250.
250.
Look at the sack.
Bottom bag,
So,
250.
wait,
200 in my hand, 250.
Mom, before you here.
One ninja, area 250. Bottom bag is 200.
So-
This in 250. People can't interested in. 250 naira on a low hand to them and wife. But bottom bag is the
Mom, no more here on your way shop.
I need 250 okay.
So,
250
well, I've answered your question.
200. This in 250.
I've answered your question. Now,
The 50 that for poker. If I go, because 50 naira.
riddle.
All that for poker.
Isn't that? Yeah, but about 200. I'm going to talk. I can't very sad.
Okay. I see touch video on. Touch video on. Your access. Sorry, FCMB. Okay. Now, please, just give me time. Okay, I'm going again. 100.
Yes.
438.
Yes.
0847. Yes. I'm going to give me. I'm going to give me.
Everyone can make it.
Calm down. Him go. This later when they want to.
You put that before.
Okay, so no verse. Okay, give what
How
time.
do she get good? You can make.
Sorry, ma. But thank you so much, ma. Okay. What is the answer?
Oh, sorry.
I put the line here and go. I will tell you in Japan.
You are confirmed, Mama.
Okay. Check it. I'm gonna see.
36.
13.6. Okay. 13,600.
Because you make good.
For how many?
10 now.
I'm gonna go 1.5.
How many people I want to
Okay, we have from that for.
You said it.
That's yeah for the so 4,000 minus 13,000. What are you looking at? 13,000.
That's not
10 in total.
okay. Let me give you that for 4,000. The other one is 6.
Yes.
It's going to be 4,000.
How many 9,000 now?
9,000.
Mathematics.
Yes, I mean mathematics in school. I mean maths in school.
Three. Look at my 3 stars back.
One more.
You are going to shop in there. That one you would have thought.
On the floor.
You can make she pala in here. Let go one him. You can make that. You can make you
And then you're not.
Then I'm very strong thing. What's going on? 2 now, 36, but they are free before. Yeah.
So what is the answer?
Total is about 10.
So what's the answer? No, I'm not still solving it. I'm not still solving it. I was very busy. Sorry. Okay. This answer here, the more you look, the more you take, the more you leave behind is what? Footsteps. Okay? So that's it. Let's move to the other question. Let's move to the other question. Okay? So who can tell us the answer? Who can tell us the answer? Who can tell us the answer of this one? Pierre. Pierre plus Pierre. Okay? Okay. Pierre plus Pierre is going to give us what? 40. Who can tell us the answer? Now, orange. Orange. Okay, you know what? We'll continue by 7, okay? By 7 p.m. we're going to continue. Okay? Thank you so much for joining. We are going to start we'll start from this one. We stopped here, so we're going to start here, okay? Please do well to join my live by 7 p.m. okay? By 6:30. No, sorry, let's say from 7 p.m. 6:30, 7 p.m. okay? Just try and join my live so that we'll finish it up, okay? Yeah. Let me prepare and go on.